Join us as we take on the 52-kilometer Cape Chignecto coastal loop in Nova Scotia, a trail that combines wooded paths and breathtaking sections along the edge of the Bay of Fundy. With steep climbs and the unpredictable May-long weekend weather, we're ready for the challenge. The reward? Stunning coastal views, serene forest trails, and cozy cabins waiting at the end of each day. Can we conquer this trail in just 3 days but still soak in all its magic? Follow along. So I'm absolutely loving this Relive app as it follows along. We did start off this trail the morning on the beach, which was lovely. We had a couple of climbs. There's that peak for the day. And then, of course, as we head into Refugee Cove, which is where we wanted to get for lunch, follow along, enjoy the videos, enjoy the scenery, and I'll see you soon. After a lovely lunch at Refugee Cove on the beach, we headed out towards Big Bald Cabin. That is where we were really hoping to get tonight. Of course, we took that turn around the Cape and started up the coast, which is a gorgeous section. And we were very fortunate. We were able to enjoy our dinner on the beach at Big Bald before heading to our cabin for the night. After a relaxing evening and a good night's sleep, we were hoping to get to Seal Cove for lunchtime. Again, this is a gorgeous section of trail, sometimes a little muddy. On this particular trip, it wasn't too bad, but the views of the coast were absolutely beautiful. And yes, we made it to Seal Cove for lunch. Enjoy. After spending some time on the beach with our new friend here, the seal, we had our lunch and a wonderful little dessert, and I took the most glorious nap. We were on our way to the Eatonville bunkhouse for the night. Unfortunately, this also meant that we were saying goodbye to the coastline. As much as I love inland, it was kind of sad to say goodbye. We passed along the Three Sisters look-off and headed towards the Eatonville bunkhouse. It was very bittersweet waking up on the third day, knowing it was our last day. I always get very sad on the last day of a hike, but I knew this was going to be a beautiful one. We are inland today. We have about 13 kilometers left to go. We are hoping to hit the low tide, so we'll be able to walk on the beach when we get back. And it was an amazing day. The weather has been great, and it was a really cool way to end a beautiful weekend. And as we approach the beach, it is a reminder to us that our adventurous weekend is done. We're pleased to say we were able to do this in 3 days and still see so much beauty. Thank you for joining us. I truly hope you enjoyed the scenery just as much as we did. If you have any more questions about Cape Chignecto, I do have a workshop on my website, healthyhiking.ca. I'll put a link in the description, and please stay tuned for more videos like this soon.